In today's top cryptocurrency news, April 17, 2023, in the first new, CME Group to expand Bitcoin and Ether option expiries after record daily volume. The CME Group aims to offer market participants more accuracy and flexibility in managing the risk of short-term fluctuations in the prices of Bitcoin and Ether. In the second new, all eyes are on stablecoins, law Decoded, April 10 to 17. A week before a hearing in Congress, the United States gets stablecoin regulatory framework. In the third new, price analysis 417, SPX, DXY, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, MATIC, DOGE, SOL. Bitcoin and select altcoins are witnessing a pullback, indicating that traders may be booking profits and reducing risk. In the fourth new, SOL price risks 20% drop despite Grayscale Solana Trusts retail debut. The latest Solana rally has had it return to the resistance range that prompted 25 to 40% price pullbacks multiple times this year. In the fifth new, NYDFS adopts regulation to assess supervisory costs for licensed crypto firms. Since 2015, crypto firms operating in the state of New York have largely been required to apply for a BIT license to offer services. In the sixth new, KyberSwap announces potential vulnerability, tells LPs to withdraw ASAP. The developer stated that so far, no funds have been lost. In the seventh new, SEC charges Bittrex with unregistered operations, calls 6 tokens securities. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a complaint against the Seattle-based exchange as Bittrex prepares to stop offering services in the United States. In the eighth new, Paxful CEO announces 88% of accounts unfrozen, $4.4 million in funds remaining. I gave up my title as CEO to unfreeze these accounts and am also in danger of being in contempt of court, said Ray Youssef. In the ninth new, Tether market cap eyes record high after regaining 65% stablecoin dominance. The market capitalization of Tether is nearly $1 billion away from reaching a new lifetime peak while rival stablecoins struggle. In the 10th new, building communities and ensuring NFT success, insights for artists. Building communities has become more crucial than ever in today's rapidly changing art space, especially with the rise of NFTs. In the 11th new, Bitcoin sparks liquidations as analyst says BTC price may dip 12% more. Bitcoin loses 3% on the day, with the start of Wall Street trading failing to rescue BTC's price from the loss of $30,000. In the 12th new, blockchain platform for trading securities OTC moves forward with SEC approval. Upon approval, both the SEC and the FINRA will become certificate holders in the private blockchain, allowing regulators to view transactions and access the network governance. In the 13th new, Ripple-based money tap adopted by 3 Japanese banks. Japanese banks like Yamaguchi, Momiji and Kita Kyushu now support the MoneyTap P2P remittance service based on RippleNet. In the 14th new, why the collapse of CEFI institutions proves crypto's core pillars. The series of collapses of CEFI platforms have weeded out bad actors and unsound business models. In the 15th new, peer-to-peer crypto exchanges struggle to navigate shifting legal landscape. 2 major P2P platforms announced their closure in the first quarter of 2023. Many blame it on growing regulatory scrutiny, but experts call for better alternatives. In the 16th new, the need for real, viable data in AI. While still in its infancy, blockchain is particularly promising in validating data. Verifying data through blockchain networks can ensure that AI is computing accurate data to produce accurate products and results. In the 17th new, how to use GANAche for blockchain project development. Learn about the benefits of using GANAche for blockchain development, including a personal Ethereum blockchain network and a user-friendly interface. In the 18th new, Bhutan's sovereign investment arm quietly invests millions in crypto, report. Druk Holding and Investments CEO Ujjval Deep Dahal said in a Forbes statement that the issue is confidential and the matter with BlockFi has already been settled. In the 19th new, China's state-affiliated banks onboarding crypto companies in Hong Kong. Chinese banks are opening bank accounts for regulated crypto companies, with several acting as a payment layer for the crypto platforms. In the 20th new, BNB Chain issues list of 191 high-risk, untrustworthy dApps and fake tokens. BNB Chain's proactive alert does not represent the risk level of the underlying dApp project. Instead, it is aimed at helping users in their research before making investment decisions. In the 21st new, BTC price heading under $30,000. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin faces a battle for key BTC price support to start the week, while market participants stay optimistic about trend continuation. In the 22nd new U.S. crypto exchange Bittrex faces potential action from SEC report. Bittrex had already started winding down operations by the time it received a notice of potential action from the SEC, the General Counsel said. In the 23rd new, Aave's proposal to launch on ZK-EVM passes temperature check a vote. A proposal to deploy the third version of lending protocol Aave has recently passed a temperate check with an overwhelming favorable majority. In the 24th new, Ether hits 11-month high as post-Shapella withdrawals pass 1 METH. Since the Shapella hard fork on April 12, Ether has seen a price gain of nearly 10%. In the 25th new, blockchains need an interoperable standard to evolve, say CryptoXX. Blockchains will need interoperability like computers need an internet connection to transfer data and value, a Chainlink Labs executive says. In the 26th new, Blockchain Association files further FOIA requests over banking closures. The crypto advocacy group wants clarity on recent regulatory action against digital asset-friendly banks. In the 27th new, Representative Davidson to introduce legislation to fire SEC boss Gensler for crypto overreach. A U.S. congressman has declared he will introduce legislation to have SEC boss Gary Gensler removed from his role. In the 28th new, Bitcoin, Ether are like gold, says Cathie Wood, but Ray Dalio is skeptical. Cathie Wood thinks Bitcoin and Ether are acting as risk-off assets and as a flight to safety for investors amid macroeconomic uncertainty. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.